Everything that we do at the Magic is about the next generation. Having Possible Finance come into the community and provide this education for parents to set their kids up to be financially successful, it means a lot to this community.
I've spent today teaching community partners about finance and credit. Being able to take our financial health and literacy message and distribute it to a much broader audience is really wonderful.
Being able to expose our parents to the financial literacy that they deserve and that they need to be able to level up is the awareness that is needed in the community.
A lot of people in the community don't have access to that type of information. So it's very important to talk to them about budgeting, talk to them about financing.
Possible is really trying to educate the community on saving and making better investments and better choices on a day-to-day.
And letting that money grow.
The more you equip people with knowledge and information, the more empowered they become. And that only emboldens them to want to do better for their families.
Come on in.
Oh, y'all need me?
Providing these resources to the family, we didn't want them to spend additional money on childcare. So the parents got their financial education, but the kids got to participate in the basketball clinic.
I have 2 grandkids. When they got there, if you could see how they high-fived each other, it was like a fantastic experience for them. Like as my daughter would say, it was a big flex. I'm trying to teach like my daughter and my grandkids that we could do so much better. So going forward with next generations, we don't make the same mistakes that I made.
Being able to collaborate with Possible Finance, it's cool to be able to impact our community and see how we can impact the next generation.
We don't want customers stuck in the debt trap. Educating them is part of our core mission and why we're a public benefit company. Seeing the different generations, people of different ages and backgrounds, really all engaging with this material is just amazing how we can connect and give back to the community.